So this is going to be a multi-part series. For those of you that are learning to ride, I hope us breaking it down like this and showing it to you incrementally helps you and makes a bit more sense. Feel free to skip around. I'll be sure to drop links to all the episodes in the description down below. Big thanks to Seminole Harley-Davidson for letting me go through the course and film it so that it helps you guys that are looking to learn to ride motorcycles. Skills practice.
Our old friend, the U-turn box, is back. And everybody loves that one. One at a time, we'll call you in. Come in, make that left turn, diagonal cross, make your right, come straight out, stop with your front tire between the large cones inside that white box. From there, you have a quick stop. So once you get your speed up, do 15 miles an hour, because on the eval it's 12 to 18. When your front tire gets to the green cones, stop as quickly and safely as you can. From there, you're gonna ride around to the cab of the beer truck where I was standing on the last exercise. For this, you're swerving to the right. On the eval, to swerve to the right. This is the exact setup that you will see on the eval. Get your speed up to about 15. On the eval, we want between 12 and 18. When your front tire gets to the green or the orange cones, swerve to the right. All right, get your gear.
All right, we are trying everything that they just said. So it's a skills test. Yeah, we're basically like starting to combine everything that we've learned at this point. Everything builds little by little on top of one another, and you just gradually like build the skill set like one thing at a time. So one of the great things about this course is that, you know, the way that it teaches you is very progressive. All right, guys, here we go. Entering the box. Past the first green cone, past the second green cone, looking over the shoulder where we're going, make sure we have enough momentum. Bam, good. Come back around the first green cone, looking over the shoulder, make sure we have enough momentum. Bam. Coming to a complete stop, front wheel in this box here.
Very nice.
Did-oo.
All right, 15 miles per hour. Once you pass that second white line, do a quick stop.
Okay, through these cones at 50 miles an hour and quickly stop. Bam. And then we're coming back around to here. Front tire in the box, stop. And we're gonna swerve to the right. Skirt. Try to stop before the blue line. All right, rinse and repeat.
Skill test overview. This test measures your ability to demonstrate basic motorcycle control skills and low-speed maneuvers, braking, swerving, and cornering. You will receive an unsuccessful score if you do not follow instructions, if you commit an intentional unsafe act, if you become a hazard to yourself or others, if you fall or drop the motorcycle, if you stall the engine more than 3 times, if you accumulate too many points, or if you decide not to continue. You must complete all 5 evaluations. Relax. You guys have been doing this last 2 days. You wouldn't be at this point if we didn't believe or see that you guys could do what we're asking you to do out there. You guys have the skills. Right now, it's all up here. Get out of your heads. Let's get our gear, let's head on out. When you guys get done with an eval, shut your bike off, you can get off. Don't hoot and holler like, yeah, I did it, because other people are testing. Be courteous, all right? Then once everybody's done, set up 2, Juan will set up 2, and I'll read it.
All right, guys, test time. So the first one is the weaving the cones, right, left, left. So this is easy. You're just pressing, 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 maintaining that balance. It's back and forth like this, right? Now I do this to show you so you can see that I'm pressing, but your hands should be here. You're pressing, pressing, pressing. While going through the friction zone, obviously controlling your speed, using your momentum to keep you upright. All right, so this is the test to get your license to ride a motorcycle. The Motorcycle Safety Foundation, or MSF qualification. If you pass this part, this basically gives you your endorsement. You take that endorsement to the DMV licensing office, and they will add motorcycle to your license. Here we go. Feet up, right, left, right, left, right. Using that friction zone and a little bit of throttle. Turning, looking where I'm going. Front wheel in the box, slowly coming to a stop. Feet down, good.
Good job. End the line.
Looping around, jumping back in line. Bike off. key off, kickstand down, over, dismount.
Number 2, turn from a stop and U-turn. You're going to begin with your front tire patch on the start tee. Make a right turn between the boundary lines marked by lines/cones. Do not touch any lines, cones, or put a foot down. Diagonally cross the opposite side of the area and make a left U-turn inside the area bounded by cones. Do not touch a line, cone, or put a foot down. Come out, you're going to stop with your front tire inside the stop box.
All right, guys, entering here, making a 90-degree turn. So in, over, right side of the box, U-turn. No feet down. Feet up, looking through, right side, into this box, turn, look, using that throttle zone, or friction zone. Scoot. Almost forgot to stop in that white box. That's it, easy peasy. Just gotta remember to look where you're going, look through the turn, and use your friction zone, a little bit of throttle to maintain that momentum. Like, this is the biggest thing right here, is the using that friction zone. All right, so bike off here, kickstand down, over.
Quick stop. You're gonna start with your front tire between the large cones. Accelerate straight toward the quick stop area. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18. What speed did we have y'all practice?
15.
Right in the middle. Maintain that steady speed. So when your front tire crosses this line, stop as quickly and safely as you can.
All right, guys, so braking, don't forget, front brake right here is responsible for 70% of your stopping power. That's because whenever you squeeze the front brake, based on the rotation of the front tire forcing it down into the ground, it stops you more than the rear brake. The rear brake is responsible for 30% of your stopping power. So whenever you combine those, you get the best stopping power. So you're gonna wanna use both the front and the rear evenly. So you accelerate whenever they tell you. As soon as your front tire passes those 2 small cones, you start braking. You want to be going between 12 and 18 miles per hour. All right, front tire in the box, between the cones. Wait, remember, between 12 and 18. Skirt. Ooh, locked it up a little bit hard, but still stopped. Number 4, obstacle swerve.
You're going to begin with your front tire patch between the start cones. Accelerate straight towards the opposite swerve area. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18. When your front tire gets to this line, swerve to the right.
So exactly like the swerve that we did, getting to speed, what they say between 12 and 18 here as well, swerving to the right. So you're going to be press right, press left quickly. Body position, you're pretty much going to be staying center here. So it's just kind of like you're tossing the bike. You're shifting the weight of the bike to basically right, left. If you had to do it to the left, obviously it'd be left, right, but it's just a real quick, you know, dip or swerve. All right, here we go. Lining up in between the cones, front tire, stop in the box. Bam. All right, so going between the first 2 and then swerving right. And stopping. Boop. Look back, thumbs up. Good. Come over here, park the bike, kickstand down, and let's go see what the next thing is.
Number 5, the curve. You're going to begin with your front tire patch between the start cones. You're going to ride through the first curve path and come off the straightaway. Speed up. You want your time between the orange cones to be under a second. Slow down, then ride through the curve, the 2 yellow lines on the opposite side, staying within those yellow lines, stopping with your front tire at those large cones right here. So you come straight out.
All right, so around the curve here, all the way down, we got to maintain a speed of less than a second between the 2 cones, turn, and then stop between the cones. All right, there we go. Slowing down, looking where we're going, looking through the turn. Good, good, good. All right, coming back around, and we are parking them right in front of the ramp here. I think that's it.
You're still on the bike. You passed. Congratulations.
All right. Good job, ladies. Good job. Good job. Good job. I got my license.
Oh my God.
Yay.
It's finally legal.
Yeah. I was legal before that. All right, guys, there you go. That is the MSF test qualification to get your license. If you watched through this whole thing, hope you've enjoyed it. Big thanks once again to Seminole Harley-Davidson. You guys be sure to check them out. I'll drop the link down in the description below. Big thanks to the instructors, John and Juan. Appreciate you guys. If you guys are interested in signing up for any of this stuff, be sure to check out the information. Like I said, I'll be sure to drop the link to everything in the description below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If it was useful to you, I hope it was useful to you, because we have been sweating bullets out here. It has been crazy hot. We've had a heat index of like 107 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, we're out here working hard to be able to bring this content to you. Be sure to hit that like button for us. Whenever you hit that like button, it greatly helps the channel, so we would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Also, we give away motorcycles. If you guys are interested in checking that out, check out the link down in the description below as well. We're basically in the business of making more riders. That's why we make videos like this, and that's why we give away motorcycles, because we want to give back to the community. More of us, less of them. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time. Peace.